Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Ember. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Harlow. Gonna go out? Harlow ran Dwayne out of the barn, so I guess I'll come see if he wants to go back in a little bit. It's pretty chilly this morning. I just came out to put Dwayne back in the barn. He looked like he was cold, so we put him up. We had some friends stop by and they already fed the cows some treats. Were they good, Bridget? Oh, be nice. Are you ready for bed, girls? Dove looks like she's ready. I'm gonna get the barn open and then I'll open the doors for you, okay? All right, Dwayne, I'm letting him in. Come on in, Atlee. Good girl. Get Bridget shut. Come on, Atlee. In your stall. Get Dove shut. Good job. Come on, Atlee. This way. This way, this way. All the way in. Good girl. Good girl. All the way in, please. Thank you. Oh, these two are fighting. Hey, 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 let's not do that. Ember, Ember, come get in your stall. Come on. In your stall, all the way. Come on. Good girl. All right. Dove, do you want one? You did a good girl going into your stall. All right, come on, Harlow. Get your stall open all the way in. Good job. Good girl. All right, I'm gonna go get your grain, okay? Good girl, good manners. There you go. All right, Dove, scooch back. Use your manners. There you go. Scooch back. Scooch back. Good job. Good girl, Atlee. Good manners. All right, Bridget. Scooch back. Good girl. So I have decided over this Christmas break that I am going to take a break from long form videos. It's just too much to make sure I'm getting enough footage to make a good video, and also the time it takes to edit it. So today's going to be our last video for at least 2 weeks. Hopefully I'll still have enough footage to do shorts and things like that. But until then, we hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Good night, Harlow. Sorry. There you go. Good night, Atlee. We'll see you in the morning. Any treat? Good night, Dove. We'll see you in the morning. Good night, Ember. Good night, Bridget. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you again soon.